International.
Tapos pag nag-MGI ka, all-stars na sunod. Parang gano'n.
Diba? Oh, tatalon
Gusto
lang.
lahat, no?
Beauty Vault Glass Skin Essentials. Gandang Beauty Vault, gandang glass skin. Daddy Glow Coffee. Feel lighter, glow brighter. Urban Smiles Dental Clinic, where beautiful smiles are made. Eventista, leading worldwide platform optimizing revenue for entertainment, events, and artists. Fitness 8, where your fitness journey begins. Aquila Crystal Palace Tagaytay. Experience romance in the air.
This is Reina's Up Close.
Watch out for Isabella Ortegran.
I have an unfinished business. Mas pasabog siya this year.
I'm a perfect mixture of sexy and cute.
I'm able and capable. Because I ate. Hindi lang basta actor, sexy actor.
I am that OA friend.
Oh my God! I'm beautiful in my own way. Grand. Beauty, brain, body, business.
Nakakaloka! Kaloka! I didn't come here not prepared.
I love challenges.
I am here.
One of my title is Miss Understood. Marami pa akong kayang ipakita.
I'm ready to prove them wrong.
I'm here to slay.
I am ready for this.
Iba na ang laban ko. So, abangan niyo lang ako.
Ito ang kwento ng Reina Filipinas. Raw, unfiltered, unmasked. Here's the tea.
Boom, boom, boom. Ano yung tanong ba? Ikaw ba nag-handle ng socials mo? Ikaw nag-handle ng socials?
Most of the time, yes. Pero now I have help naman po from a good friend.
Ba yung mga concepts mo,
Sa team,
ikaw?
Opo, me and my team po, talagang nagbe-brainstorming po kami.
Totoo din naman kasi dapat manggagaling sa'yo yung concept talaga.
Yes,
na.
exactly.
Kasi pag team siya, parang hindi ikaw yung ganun.
Tsaka, always po talagang kinoconnect siya sa akin, my personality,
correct,
and at the
correct.
same time, yung province po. Na
Correct.
nire-represent.
Kasi nire-represent mo talaga yung province, tsaka ano ka naman, franchise ka, di ba? Hindi
yes.
ata alam ng mga tao to na franchise
yes
ka.
po.
Oo.
Under po ng AP.
Correct, oo. Kasi akala nila independent, ka. Buti na, feeling mo ba na mas prepared ka this time?
Yes. I really do believe na mas prepared ako this time. Kasi nung hindi po ako nagpa-pageant last year. So, I was busy working. I entered the corporate industry. And then, I was also traveling. Ganyan. Lagi akong lumalabas with my friends. But at the same time, I was preparing my mind for all the possibilities that I might face in the future. And lagi ako nag-gym, nag-workout. Talagang I feed my mind positive thoughts every single day. Kahit na gaano ka-challenging yung mga na-encounter ko. Kasi parang for me, it's also a manifestation ng mga opportunities and blessings na makukuha ko. And darating sa buhay ko. Yes.
I love it. Ano yung inaay mo na crown? All-Stars or MGI?
Miss Grand.
Ay, really?
International.
Bakit ayaw mo sa All-Stars or bakit mas preferred mo yung MGI?
Well, ako naman po, how I see it, syempre, kung destiny ko talaga, kung mag-all-stars ako, of course, I'm gonna be really grateful for it. But, syempre po kasi yung, parang bago lang rin po kasi yung all-star. So, talagang even before, I felt like na parang, Miss Grand International, ganyan. Na yun talaga yung nasa mind ko talaga na I want to be part of the journey. Miss Grand International.
Tapos pag nag-MGI ka, All-Stars na sunod. Parang gano'n.
Diba? Oh, tatalon lang.
Gusto lahat, no? Talon-talon agad. Actually, na-surprise ako doon kasi since nakapag-international ka na or nakapag-international competition ka na, I was I was really thinking all
Yes.
throughout na All-Stars yung ina-eye mo na title. Okay, mas preferred mo pala yung
Opo.
NGI. Okay. Okay lang ba sa'yo na parang mahirap mag back to back?
Well, ako naman po, I'm not
Aha.
expecting too much.
Mm.
I'm just doing my best and really showcasing what I can give to a lot of people out there. And of course, syempre, gusto natin ng back to back,
Oo,
di ba?
to back,
Talagang to back,
back to back.
di ba? Ibigay sa atin, ni Papa Nawal. gusto
Ganid na sa
Mm-mm.
title, no?
But of course, we don't, din naman, we have to face the fact and the reality na it's gonna be impossible. But the least thing I could do is, of course, to just really give my 200% best in everything, diba? Kasi I don't want to have regrets as well. If I'm just gonna be thinking all the way na, I'm not gonna do my best kasi it's gonna be impossible to get the back to back, I don't think I'm meant to compete, and I don't think I am really living my purpose. Kasi for me, it's everything that's happening in my life. It's more than just achievements and title. What matters most is that you leave a legacy sa mga taong nakakasama mo na encounter mo araw-araw.
I love it. Thank you,
Yes.
Jel. I'll see you again.
Thank you,
And
Direk.
congratulations.
Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Reina Filipinas. Reina Filipinas. Reina Filipinas. Reina Filipinas. Reina Filipinas. Bawat hakbang, I'm holding a dream. This crown of a queen. Reina Filipinas. Nakataas, noong lalaban from the very start.